Hi there, my name is Fabest and you're welcome to FabWebTuts. Alright, I'll be your tutor for this beginner's course on HTML and CSS. Now, in this tutorial, I'm just going to be teaching you the basics of HTML and CSS in a rather comic way. Alright, more details of this course is contained in the course outline. Alright, so before we proceed getting our hands dirty and writing some codes, we need to know what HTML is. We need to know what we are doing before we eventually dive into the crazy part. Alright, so for now, I'm just gonna tell you what HTML is, what it is used for, and then a brief history of HTML. Alright, let's proceed. So we have, what is HTML? Now, HTML is just an acronym for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language, that's it. It's just an acronym for a language that is used to develop a website. Alright, so what's it used for? What's HTML used for? Alright, so HTML is used for making layouts of your website. It is the language used to describe or specify web content on your website, such as pictures, videos, text, and other web page content. HTML is basically the backbone of the website, without which there will be no website. HTML gives web developers a platform to create web content. These web contents are viewed using a web browser. Alright, so the next thing I'm just going to do now is to give you a brief history of HTML. Okay, so the first version of HTML was written by Tim Berners-Lee in 1993. Alright, I don't know if I pronounced the name right, but since then there have been many different versions of HTML. The most widely used version of HTML throughout the 2000s was HTML 4.01, which became an official standard in December 1999. Alright, so another version of HTML called XHTML was a rewrite of HTML as an XML language. Alright, so you can get the history from the link below. You can go there and read off the much longer history of HTML. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. In our next tutorial, I'm just gonna teach you how to install the software we are going to be using for the tutorial. Thank you so much and peace out.